Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how you can easily change the ear tips. So, at first open your case and take out your earbud. Of course, that's needed. And now, here as you can see, we've got our ear tip. You need to at first unwind it, and here now you need to just pull it like this without force. It's that easy. And now let's just assume that this is the new one. This is the same one, of course, but let's assume that this is a new one. You need to unwind it like the same. It needs to be the same position like I do have here, and just use some force. Okay, and try to put it onto the speaker. As you can see, it's quite difficult now because mine is too small to do so with comfort, but we'll get through this. Here you can do some circular movement because it will be easier then. Okay, we are close. I don't know how to show it to you. Come on, jump here inside on it. It's quite difficult, so I'm going to show you the whole process. Of course, your probably will be easier. Mine is not that easy because it's too big. But you know, generally speaking, this should be all. Try to do this delicately, don't use force at all, and you will be good to go. Come on. And now, as you can see, it's done. Here. Goodbye.